Did you know that you can create full 3D animated story videos like this?
Inside Skull Rock Island, Jack ignites a torch, its flame battling the cave's oppressive darkness. The flickering light dances across the damp cave entrance, revealing a world of shadows and mystery. Water drips from the ceiling, each drop echoing in the stillness. The air hangs heavy, saturated with the sharp scent of minerals, hinting at the island's secrets. The torch casts eerie shadows, promising both wonder and peril within the depths of the cave. Inside the Skull Rock Island cave, torchlight flickers across walls adorned with amethyst and quartz crystals. Deeper within, a vein of crimson pulses with a mysterious inner light, casting an eerie glow. Anna enters the cave, her eyes widening in astonishment at the
Up to 50 minutes long using just one AI tool in under 5 minutes. Creators can now generate complete story-driven videos without writing scripts manually or stitching scenes together one by one. That changes everything for documentaries, kids' stories, faceless channels, and educational content. Let me show you what I mean. Take a look at these shorts. One of them has over 7 million views, while others have crossed hundreds of millions and even reached 1 billion views. Now think about how much revenue a short with 1 billion views can generate. Look at the rest of them with 400 million and 600 million views. All of these videos were created using AI. And it is not just shorts. Long-form channels are exploding too. Look at this channel right here. It has grown to nearly 3 million subscribers by uploading simple animated kids' stories created with AI. The channel has passed 1.3 billion total views from this exact style of content. Most of their uploads easily cross 1 million views. According to VidIQ estimates, it earns up to $36,000 per month. Channels like these are pulling massive views and serious income by uploading simple 3D kids story videos consistently. No voice acting teams, no complex animation studios. Just strong storytelling, clear visuals, and high output. What most people miss is that these channels are not winning because of ultra-realistic animation. They are winning because of story consistency and publishing speed. In this video, I am going to show you how you can run a faceless YouTube channel by posting this exact type of content using a tool called MagicLight. MagicLight allows you to turn a simple idea into a finished video up to 50 minutes long with consistent characters, voiceovers, and background music. It works for shorts and long-form content in different visual styles, all generated from a single prompt. Before we dive into the tutorial, here is some good news. MagicLight is currently running a content creation contest with over $100,000 in prizes and more than 40 different awards. You can join by clicking here. The smart play here is simple. Create the same long-form content you already want to publish and submit it before February 1st. After the official review period, winners will be announced. The top winner will receive a cash prize of $6,000. Second place gets $5,000. Third place gets $4,000 plus a 3-year annual membership. There are also multiple social media awards, which means there is a real opportunity to place among the winners. You are not doing extra work here. You are simply giving your content another upside. Alright, now let me show you exactly how to generate long-form videos from a single prompt. First, go back to the MagicLight homepage. If you want to follow along, the link to the tool is in the video description. Click on Story to Video. This is where you enter a simple story idea, and MagicLight builds everything for you automatically. On the right side, you can already see what is trending. Look at these examples. One has over 63 million views, another 61 million, and another 60 million. That instantly gives you insight into what is working right now on YouTube and TikTok. Once you understand what is trending, you can start with much stronger ideas. You can also ask ChatGPT for story concepts, but I want to test how MagicLight handles rough ideas written in plain English. I am going to type this. 2 friends, 12-year-old Jack and 10-year-old Anna, set off in a small boat with a treasure map to find rare and precious minerals inside a hidden cave on a deserted island. Then I click Expand, so the system turns that into a full script. Next, make sure to select your aspect ratio format. For language, I will keep English. Then we choose the image generation model for the story. I am selecting Gemini 3, which is powered by Nano Banana Pro and is currently one of the strongest options for high-quality visuals. MagicLight also lets you choose the style of your video from this variety of styles, from cinematic to anime, comic to Disney style. I am going with 3D cartoon. After that, you can choose the video duration: 3 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, or custom if you want something longer. It even supports videos up to 50 minutes, which is impressive. To keep this demo short, I will select 3 to 5 minutes and click Next. MagicLight now generates a synopsis and a full scene-by-scene breakdown, each with multiple shots. You can expand any scene, edit it, duplicate it, or delete it completely. This version comes out to around 4 minutes, so I will move on to the next step. Here, your characters are automatically created based on the story. If you do not like one of them, click the edit icon and choose another from the library, or create your own from scratch. You can name the character, add a description, pick a style, and generate a new one. I'm going to keep these for now and click Next to move into the storyboard. After a few minutes, you will see a complete storyboard with all scenes visualized. Look at the quality here. The characters remain consistent, and the environments feel cohesive because they are being generated by a powerful model. You can also fine-tune images, regenerate specific shots, or adjust prompts directly inside this panel. Scroll through the available voice options and preview them until you find one that fits your story. You can adjust the speaking speed if needed. If a scene feels off visually or narratively, you can edit the prompt or regenerate it before moving forward. Now it is time to animate everything. Click Animate, and instead of generating clips one by one, select the option to animate all scenes at once. You will see several video models available such as Kling Series, Seedance Pro, Hailuo, and others. I am going to choose Hailuo 02 and confirm. While the videos are rendering, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying the breakdown so far. Alright, the animations are finished. Quickly scan through the timeline and confirm that every scene has been converted into video. If everything looks good, click Next. We are almost done. Choose a subtitle style that fits your video, then add background music. There is a full library to choose from, so listen through a few options and pick one that works. Lower the music volume slightly so the voiceover stays clear. For the final step, click Generate. Confirm your aspect ratio. Select the highest resolution available, and press OK. Within seconds, your finished video will be ready with voiceover, subtitles, and background music already included. If you need to publish your video later on platforms like YouTube or TikTok, you do not need to struggle with optimization either. MagicLight automatically suggests a title, description, and hashtags for posting. Click Submit to ensure your content is published. The final video is now ready and available to be downloaded to your device. Let us take a look at the result.
On the open sea, a small, weathered boat bravely navigates the choppy waves. Salt, spray coats everything, a constant reminder of the sea's embrace and challenge. Jack strains at the tiller, his youthful face etched with determination as he battles the relentless waves.
The animation is smooth, the characters stay consistent, and the whole thing feels like it came from a professional studio.
Conquer the sea's fury. Anna points excitedly towards a distant, jagged island, a beacon of hope amidst the vast expanse of water.
MagicLight also has an alternative option that lets you create long videos in one click from a single idea without walking through every step I just showed. This feature is called Kids Story, and it is designed for fast generation of full-length narrative videos. You simply type your idea, for example, a gentle story adventure about a cheerful young boy with messy brown hair and bright eyes who lives in the woods with his royal dog and protects their peaceful home when something mysterious begins changing the forest. For inspiration, you can click on these options to get story ideas. Pick your visual style, such as Disney, then choose the aspect ratio. I will select 19:6, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts and TikTok content. Choose the video duration. I will keep it to 1 minute since this will be short-form content, but you can go up to 50 minutes. For the image generation model, I will choose Gemini 3, and for the video model, Hailuo 02. Set the voice for the narration and choose background music. Once everything is ready, click on Create Video. MagicLight will now turn your simple idea into a full script, generate images for the scenes, convert them into videos, and finally stitch everything together into a complete video with voiceover and music. In one click, the video is ready. Publish it, and within a few seconds, it will be ready for download. Let us check it out.
Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a cheerful young boy. He had messy brown hair, bright eyes, and a loyal dog by his side. Their home was peaceful, filled with the songs of birds and rustling leaves. One day, a mysterious change began to sweep through the forest. The trees whispered secrets, and shadows danced in strange new ways. The boy noticed the worry in his dog's eyes and felt a shiver himself. He knew he had to protect their home from whatever was changing the woods. With his dog beside him, he ventured deeper, determined and brave. They discovered the river.
This exact workflow is how creators scale kids' story channels, faceless storytelling channels, and educational content without teams or studios. The AI handles the structure. You focus on direction. If this breakdown helped you, like the video so more creators see it. Subscribe for more AI workflows that actually work, and comment below what type of long-form content you want to build. And if you are serious about creating and winning at the same time, join the contest and start experimenting today.